Welcome to Incredible Lab channel. Today I will show you how to block text message in your Android phone. So at first open up your message app. In my phone default message app is Google Message. Now if you want to block any text message in your Google Message app, just open the conversation that you want to block. If I open this, now from here if you want to block this text message, just tap on three dots at the top right corner of your display. And here you can see block and report spam option, then just tap here. Now if you want to report as spam, then you can check this option, but I skip this part. Now to block this text message, just tap on OK and it's done. Now you can see the text message has been blocked successfully. Now go back. Now if you want to block text message of contacts, just open the contacts, then tap on three dots, then tap on block and report spam again, then tap on OK and you can see it's blocked successfully. Now if you want to unblock this text message, just tap on unblock and you can see it's unblocked successfully. And that's it, you have successfully blocked text message in your Android phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.